the vertebral column. The vertebral column consists of 33 small bones called vertebrae. The vertebral column protects the spinal cord. Brain and the vertebral column together forms the central nervous system.
Shoulder bone. The shoulder bone is formed from 3 bones: collarbone, shoulder blade, and the upper arm bone. It joins the upper part of the chest and the parts of the arm. Now I am going to tell about the pelvis bone. The pelvis bone is formed by the fusion of 3 bones: ilium, ischium, and pubis. The pelvis bone together with the tail part of the spine form a large bony structure called pelvis. Our limbs includes arms and legs. Now I am going to talk about arms. Our upper arm, lower arm, wrist and hand makes the arm. Our upper arm has 1 round bone called humerus. Our lower arm has 2 round bones called radius and ulna. Our wrist and hand has several and small bones in it. Now it's time for legs. Our upper leg, lower leg, ankles and foot makes the leg. Our upper leg has 1 round bone called femur, and this is the longest bone in our body. Our lower arm has 2 round bones, tibia and fibula, and the tibia carries our all weight. Ankles and foot has small and several bones in it.
Do you know how bones are moving? The joints are helping to the movements. Let's see about the joints. Ball and socket joint. The rounded end of one bone fits into the cavity of another bone or called a ball and socket joint. It performs in all directions. The joints in the shoulder and upper arm, humerus and femur are examples of ball and socket joint. Pivot joint. The joint at the neck that connects with the skull and the vertebral column that allows your head to move up, down, right, left.
Hinge joint. The joint moving only in one direction is called hinge joint. For example, elbow and knees only can move in one direction. Gliding joints. The joints you have noticed that you can rotate your wrist and ankle to the left and right, and as well as in the upward and downward with slight rotation. These type of joints